Welcome back to our multi-part series on content marketing and SEO. In our previous videos, we laid the groundwork for understanding how content and search work together. Today, we're diving into three core components, all related to on-page SEO, and diving deep into how to achieve successful on-page SEO. But before we break down these fundamentals, it's crucial to acknowledge the seismic shift happening in the search landscape. For years, we've heard the chorus that SEO is dead, but the truth is the 2015 version of SEO is what's really gone. What we're witnessing now is an evolution of SEO driven by artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Hello everyone, I'm Toby Danylchuk, founder of 39 Celsius Web Marketing Consulting, and for over 2 decades, I've been helping businesses just like yours improve sales and profit from digital marketing. If you're ready to turn your digital marketing results around so they're amplifying your results, stick around. And if you find this video helpful and want more strategies, tips, and tactics to boost sales and profits, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And if you're seeking personalized guidance for your business, call me now at 951-444-0174 or email me at toby@39celsius.com. My contact information is included in the video description below as well. Okay, Google's AI overviews, or AIOs, are expanding rapidly in search results. Beyond these AIOs, Google is continually testing other AI features such as things to know or get an explanation buttons directly on the search engine results page. And recently, Google has added AI mode to search results as an option that is likely to become the default. AI mode in Google search is more chat-like, as in ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, where you interact with AI mode and have none of the search links that we're used to. Google does provide links to the sources it used to where users can click through to the websites. But overall, this change means that users are increasingly finding answers directly on the Google search results page, leading to a rise in what we call zero-click searches. Zero-click searches are not new and have been around for a long time in Google search. Search features such as rich snippets, people also ask, and the knowledge panels are search features that were designed to keep the searcher on Google and not clicking away to a website. But what's new is that Google is adding this AI component to search. And it's not just Google either. New answer engines like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Perplexity are attracting millions of users and driving significant non-Google search referral traffic. And while these competing answer engines are attracting a large amount of traffic, it is still only a fraction of what Google captures each day. To put this in perspective, look at this table. Google sees an average of 14 billion searches per day, while ChatGPT sees 37.5 million search-like prompts. ChatGPT sees more prompts than the 37.5 million. Those are just the search-like queries. This emergence of AI in Google search has given rise to AEO, or answer engine optimization, which requires new tactics to gain visibility and citations in these AI answers on Google. For a deeper dive into how AIOs are affecting your website traffic and how you should adapt, check out my latest post titled Google AI Overviews, Why Your Website Traffic is Down and How Small Businesses Can Adapt. Just Google that title, or a link to it is in the video description below. So while SEO is undeniably changing, it's far from dead, and many of the core principles of SEO are still intact. With all this change, it simply means we need to recalibrate our strategies to capitalize on these new opportunities. And that starts with understanding the fundamentals adapted for this AI-powered world. Let's begin with on-page SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing elements directly on your web page to improve their visibility and ranking in search results. It's about creating helpful, relevant content that users love and that search engines can easily interpret. Here are its key elements and how they are adapting to the AI era. First, content quality. This is arguably the most critical factor in the age of AI overviews. For your content to be cited in AIOs and to rank well, it must be excellent, authoritative, novel, directly answering specific questions. Google's content quality guidelines heavily emphasize EAT, which is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. These qualities are more vital than ever, especially with the proliferation of AI-generated content and users' desire for authenticity. Experience means your content reflects first-hand knowledge. Expertise means the author demonstrates a significant level of knowledge. Authoritativeness is about addressing topics from a position of authority, often demonstrated by comprehensive coverage across a website or through valuable backlinks. Trustworthiness is arguably the most important, and it's built upon the other three. To truly stand out, focus on originality. As original content score is considered a ranking factor, this means mining your internal data, leveraging your expert networks, and conducting user surveys to uncover unique insights that differentiate your content. Interviewing internal subject matter experts, SMEs, C-suite members, customers, or external influencers can provide unique, compelling perspectives that are not readily available elsewhere. Your content should be comprehensive and well-researched, aiming to cover a topic so thoroughly that the reader doesn't need to consult other resources. It should educate, entertain, and inspire. Keywords. While keyword research still matters, the shift is increasingly towards user-focused optimization rather than simply matching exact keyword phrases. In an AI-powered search world, AI understands the context of natural language, meaning you need to address the granular questions users are actually asking. Relying on just keywords is long gone. How well do you answer the topic? Understanding search intent. Why a user is conducting a search. Is this informational, navigational, commercial, or a transactional query? This is paramount. You can infer this by analyzing the type of content already ranking on the SERP for a given query. A good example of intent in a search phrase is the word Java. Did the searcher mean coffee, the computer coding language, or the geographic area in the world? Since AI chatbots, answer engines provide summarized information similar to Google's featured snippets, it's essential to provide concise answers to granular questions within your content to increase your chances of being cited in AI overviews. Long-tail keywords, though they may have lower search volumes, often result in higher conversion rates because they address very specific searches. Meta tags. This includes your title tags and meta descriptions. Your title tag is what appears on the search engine results page, and it should include your primary keyword and ideally be between 14 and 17 words to optimize for social sharing. Your meta descriptions should provide a concise summary, naturally incorporating both primary and secondary keywords along with clear calls to action. While search engines are becoming smarter at pulling information directly from your content for these, optimizing them remains a best practice. Headings and subheadings. These are crucial for organizing your content clearly, making it readable for both users and search engines. You should naturally include variations of your primary and additional keywords within your headings and subheadings. This structure helps Google's algorithms understand the hierarchy and main points of your content. Well-organized content with H1s, H2s, H3s, and so on is essential to helping search engines like Google understand your content and how concepts in your content are related. Here's an example. On this blog post I wrote about common digital marketing mistakes. The name of the blog post is an H1 tag. Then each of the mistakes is an H2 followed by this H3. See how that helps Google understand the structure of your content by nesting subtopics. Another element to consider is adding a table of contents to longer contextual copy. Search engines can crawl it, which helps them understand the content, and in some cases can even help get site links like these that direct people to that specific area of the page. Next, SEO-friendly URLs. Your URLs should be concise, relevant, descriptive, and include targeted keywords. For example, this URL, Top Digital Marketing Mistakes and Their Solutions, is far more effective and user-friendly than a generic URL like this with /article 945789. A clear URL structure helps both users and search engines understand the content's topic. User experience and search intent. More than ever, SEO is about optimizing for how users interact with your page and deeply understanding why are they searching. Google's Nav Boost system examines various click types, indicating that Google prioritizes how users interact with your content, not just whether they click on it. For example, do people click on search results and spend very little time and go back to Google search and click on another search result? That's sometimes referred to as pogo sticking. Or do people click on the search result and stay on the website for long periods of time? So this means creating content that truly meets the user's intent. Instead of creating one lengthy skyscraper post, consider a ranch-style SEO approach. That involves producing several shorter, more focused pieces of content, interlink, each containing a unique experience and information. This distributed interlinked structure can help AI systems better understand the context and relationships between your topics, moving beyond simple keyword matching. And that's where internal linking is key for any site aiming for higher Google rankings. It guides users to other relevant pages on your site, improving navigation and dwell time, and helps search engines understand the relationships between your content and establish topical authority. For a deeper dive on internal linking, be sure to check out my related post titled Internal Link Building, Commonly Overlooked but Effective. Next up, we'll move beyond our website and explore off-page SEO, looking at how external factors like backlinks influence your search ranking. Stay tuned for that upcoming video. So if you're ready to stop feeling lost in the digital marketing maze and start implementing a clear, personalized marketing strategy that directly impacts your sales and profit, let's talk. Call me directly now at 951-444-0174 or email me at toby@39celsius.com. For over 20 years, we've been helping businesses like yours turn their digital efforts into tangible growth. And if this video shed some light on the content marketing funnel and SEO process, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more actionable marketing insights. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in our next video where we'll dive deeper into SEO.